Have you ever met a parrot with the soul of a rock star and the energy of a hyperactive child? Meet Bandit. He's not just a bird, he's a whirlwind of emotions with wings. From the day Bandit entered our home, peace quietly slipped away, but so did boredom. When we first saw Bandit, he was only 8 weeks old. Tiny, wide-eyed, with chubby little cheeks that melted our hearts instantly. We had owned birds before, calm and gentle ones. We thought we'd seen it all, but Bandit looked at us as if to say, "Think again." From day one, Bandit acted like the entire house already belonged to him, and we were just lucky enough to live in it. If water was turned on anywhere, Bandit appeared. The bathroom door opened, and he'd fly from the kitchen, past the closet, knock a towel off the shelf, and land proudly on the edge of the shower, wings flapping with excitement. If you were taking a shower, there was no escape. Bandit might jump straight onto you. Wet? Yes. Rude? Not at all. He just wanted to be close. He followed us everywhere like a dog with wings. There wasn't a single room or quiet moment where Bandit wasn't present. Ignore him? Never. Bandit wouldn't sit quietly in a corner. Instead, he'd put on a full air show, circling, diving, landing on your head, hopping onto your shoulder, flying off again over and over until you finally gave in and laughed. "All right, come here, you little rascal." Bandit is like a child who never grows up. He demands hugs, kisses, and constant attention. He steals socks, plays with cups, and pushes bowls across the floor like he's competing in a world championship of bird hockey. He doesn't destroy things, he turns ordinary days into fireworks of joy. We didn't expect this: the endless energy, the noise, the liveliness, the non-stop happiness. It took time to adjust, but once we accepted Bandit exactly as he was, we never regretted it for a single second. Life with Bandit is always full of movement. Sometimes he plays until he completely collapses, flying, shouting, then suddenly lying on his back with his beak buried in a pillow. You can pick him up, and he'll snuggle into your shoulder as if to say, "I'm here, and I'm yours." Bandit is also a natural actor. Sometimes he pretends to be offended, turning away dramatically, then slowly making his emotional return to your shoulder. He knows exactly how to get attention because he is the attention. Bandit is the definition of happiness: loud, excitable, stubborn, yet completely sincere. He is our little baby, our winged companion who knows how to give love just as deeply as any human being. Now, we can't imagine life without him. Bandit didn't just move in with us, he made every single day unforgettable. If you're truly considering bringing an animal into your life, take the time to consult experts first and make sure you have the knowledge, responsibility, and ability to care for that species. Love them sincerely, and you'll receive more love in return than you could ever imagine. If Bandit's story made you smile at that wonderfully noisy kind of love, don't forget to like and share this story with others. Give love freely, and it will come back to you many times over.